Hello, I'm Joshua Allen, and I watched the YouTube video entitled Exponentially Learning Soul Superheroes. During this video, it covered a variety of topics amongst 7th graders. The content areas of the topics were science, math, language arts, social studies, art, and multimedia. Throughout the video, it hopped from place to place talking about the process in which they did the project-based learning. The first step was the teachers making the plan over the summer on how to take this project into the classrooms. Then came the teachers teaching organization structures to the students to ensure that they could organize their projects later down the road before content was introduced. Then content was introduced to the students. The students began working on, in this particular instance, comics to explain bacteria. Along through the process, teachers brought in experts to help students and to help them learn or back check their comments. After this, the students were able to make revisions, and then they were to present their final product to the classrooms and make any last minute changes before their comics finally went out into their community to be spread and celebrated. Throughout the video, the teachers held many roles. One, the teachers drew out the plans and made plans to ensure that time frames lined up throughout the whole semester. Teachers also were involved in the process by helping students, but mainly by bringing in experts to help the students, so it wasn't as instructive. The students were required to make informational aspects of these comics, draw the comics, and present the comics. Throughout the video, the classroom setup changes multiple times, but mainly one-on-one students working with either experts or the artists that the teachers had brought in, and they were using pen, paper, laptops, different organizational strategies online. Over the course of this, though, I believe that it was extremely effective as the students were able to present well without faltering, and the students definitely met the expectations and learned the content needed. This was extremely different from a traditional sense because students had such free time and time to do these things without the teacher just lecturing or them just listening to different people and then having limited time to work on the project. I did like how this allowed students to work individually or collaboratively, letting them focus and bounce ideas off of each other. However, I do not like how throughout the process the teachers seemed to be very removed in the sense of letting the children learn on their own, even if they did not know. This makes me wonder, what could I do as a math teacher in the future? I think problem-based learning is an interesting topic, and I think that in a math educational setting, it could be used to explain various problems, or depending on the classroom type, even create certain projects. I myself did something like this in high school, in which we were required to create some weird shape using various things we had learned throughout the semester, working with not only ourselves, but with others. I think the benefit of that is being able to learn to collaborate and be able to know content from the student's perspective. As for the teacher, it gave our teacher a break and time to really grade and figure out